Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Soulful Journey Towards Divinity. So today I am going to read about your love life, your relationship issues for May 2021 with the help of Rider-Waite Tarot cards and the Oracle cards, which are Crystal Angel cards. So before we going to start the tarot spread, I would like to tell you that if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe on the Soulful Journey Towards Divinity, and please go through my blog which is mentioned below. So let's begin. So yes, as you can see, I have arranged 3 decks for you. The first one, which is the rose one, the pink one. The second deck, its name is Lotus, which is the orange one. And the third deck, its name is Lavender, which is the third one, the purple one. So you just have to, what you have to do, you just have to close your eyes for a minute and close your eyes. Imagine that which deck, pink, orange or purple, which one is coming to your mind first. Just choose the deck which is coming to your mind. Just meditate for a minute. And before beginning my reading, I would just like to remind you once again that guys, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, which is the Soulful Journey Towards Divinity. Your subscription, your likes, your comments and your support means a lot. Okay, so let's begin. So if you have chosen deck 1, then let's see what is your love reading for May 2021. Okay guys, it's a very good positive reading for you for your month May 2021. As you can see, there going to be a very fruitful month regarding, just for your love relationships. There will be harmony in relationships. There will be a good communication, sort of angelic blessings will be there, and all in all, it's a good month for your love relationship. You can expand your what I can say, the parameters. Like if you want to get married to this person, if you were not considering this person as your life partner, if you were not very sure about that person, that is he or her going to be my life partner, is he or her going to be my soulmate, then yes, that person shares a soulful connection with you. He or she could be your soulmate. So there is a go ahead for this kind of relationship. And if you are not in any relationship, then you are going to get a partner which will serve the purpose. Yes, which the person would be very emotional, sensitive, caring towards you, and you will do the same with him. And if you are a girl, then you will be a sensitive person, you will be motherly, you will be extra caring for him. And if you are a male, then you will get a partner who will be very caring towards you, who will be very sensitive and emotional for you. So, and that person going to be a very good housewife, a very good homemaker. So yes, I can see that this bond is going to end up in a relationship, in a marriage, in any sacred bond. So this is a marriage card. So all in all, deck 1, the pink deck 1 people, it's a good positive reading for your month May. Let's just see what angels has to say for you. What are the blessings angels giving you? So as you can see, angels saying self-confidence through God confidence. Believe in yourself by believing in God, who is working through you, for you. So you just have to believe in the situations in the coming, coming time, that okay, everything is positive, especially for your love and relationship. Okay. Okay, so if you have chosen deck number 2, the orange one, the lotus one, then here is your reading for May 2021. Here is your love spread, and yes, your love spread says that if you are not in any relationship, then the universe is offering you something. The universe is offering you the blessing, but you are just folding your hand. You are not at all open towards this. You are not accepting what universe and God is giving you. So you just have to be little open in your approach, my dear readers, because what you are thinking, that you are already stuck with so many things. You are already burdened. You have already burdened yourself with everything, but not the love or relationship thing. You just have to set yourself free. You just have to serve the burden to others. Just you should not struggle. You should not struggle, especially for your love relationship, because the end is very good. And guys, if you are already in any relationship, then your partner is giving you a much needed support. He is going to give you a much needed support. You just have to welcome that. You should not burden yourself with other responsibilities. You just let go things. Just don't take so much stress on yourself. Just let go. Just go with the flow. This situation, this phase will pass soon, because I can see your future is very bright. You will get 10 of cups. You will get everything: a perfect soulmate, a perfect married life, a perfect family life. So guys, for deck number 2, your reading is good, a good positive reading. Okay, now see what angels have the message for you. Stress reduction. See, de-stress your mind, your body, your schedule, as you need to rest, recharge and revive. That's what I was saying. Just reduce your stress, just reduce your burden. Okay, so if your choice is deck number 3, which is the lavender one, then let's see what are the energies for your month May 2021. Okay, so the energies are not very positive for your love relationship, as we can see. The energies are quite positive for your career. Exactly, this is not a career reading, but what I can see, that you are just thinking more, your approach is more materialistic than emotional or sensitive approach. You are thinking or behaving very practically. You just want to expand your possibilities for your career, not for your love and relationships, because even if you do so, it may end up soon. It is going to end up soon, or in the near future. You have just gone through a bad toxic heartache, a very bad breakup, and just because of that, your focus is something else right now, not the career, not the love and relationship. Your focus is career right now, and you just want to stand alone. And guys, this is for those who are looking for the relationship, but for those who are already in a relationship, I can say for those who are already in a relationship, you and your partner's approach is more materialistic right now. You guys are not thinking emotionally, you guys are not behaving, or not, your approach is not very emotional right now. Your approach is materialistic right now, very practical. Either your partner is not giving you much needed time, he is very busy in his work or her work. You guys are not giving the time and energy to the relationship which you should have given. And yes, you are standing alone, you are not seeking the partnership of your partner, you just want to do everything alone. You are showing your courage in every field, but you are not ready to, give that support, that much needed support to your partner. And just because of all these energies and all these current prevailing situations, there are going to be a major heartbreak phase. You will have to face the repercussions, you will have to face the the result if you will not give the required time to your partner. Then, or even if your partner is not giving you the required time, then this is not going in a good direction. You just have to check on your partner, and you just have to think one more time that where is it going. So just because it's a negative card, I would like to see. Okay, I can see, yes, again I can see that there are energies of cheating, of backstabbing. So you just need to be careful with your partner, though it may or may not resonate. It may, I am telling you again, it is a general reading, it may or may not resonate. So you just have to be extra careful. You don't have to go negative if you are already in a relationship. Okay guys, so let's see what angels has to say. What are the message from angels? The message from an angel is balancing masculine and feminine energies. So allow your feminine side to creatively inspire you and your masculine side to give you confidence. So you just have to balance between the two. You should be little creative, and you should give yourself much needed confidence so that you can survive and you can face the challenges which are going to come in your future, in your love relationship. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time and your support. Thank you so much for listening to my readings. Thank you.